Here I am in my studio. I'm using the Govee app. This could be you. I'm just chilling. I'm like, you know what? Look how boring it is without the lights on. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna change my mood today. I'm gonna use this app. And today I'm feeling like I want my home office. I want my room. I want my shelves. I want my refrigerator. I want my TV, whatever it is. I want it to look like a snowflake. Boom. Now it's looking like a snowflake. I want it to look like a sunset. Boomski. It's looking like a sunset. I want my room today to look like a lightning. Oh God! It starts looking like a lightning. I want my room to look like watermelon. It's summertime. It's looking like watermelon in the summertime. Last one. I want my room to look like it's on fire. Look at that. It's on fire. All of this is possible, plus millions of other combinations using the Govee strip lighting. They're right under here under my desk, man. See them down there? Pretty cool, right? They're just sticking to the bottom of my desk. I got it running across there. I got it on the back of my desk. You just program these things, millions of combinations. These Govee lights look great. Out of view. Can't see them. And all they do is just shine amazing light. Look at this. So they're underneath the desk, but as you can see, it's just lighting up the floor below. And I've got ones on the back of my desk back here. And as you can see, they're like illuminating the entire wall. And so you can position these anywhere you want. See, they're back there. I've got them on the back. See them? You can position them anywhere you want, and it can have any sort of ambient effect that you want it to have. This fire effect is a little bit too much for me, though. But that's the thing. It might not be too much for you. You might love this fire effect. Personally, I'm feeling snowflake. Pick them up, man. This deal is sick. This deal is sick right now. If you were ever thinking about buying strip lighting, today's the day. And you can buy multiple strips and connect them together using the app. It's pretty great. There it is. Strip lighting. Price. I'm serious though. These are premium LED strip lights. I'm now recommending these as the decor lights that for all my clients. But once again, I never recommend a product I don't use in my own studio and I don't recommend to my own clients. And this is now my top recommended decor light. It just is.